Hi, starting a new job isn't easy. You've still got to figure out your responsibilities and learn how to navigate those office politics. You've also got to learn the culture of the organization. Since studies show people are changing jobs and transitioning to new working environments now more than ever, you've got to learn how to maximize the first 90 days at a new workplace to set yourself up for success. First, have lunch with your coworkers. You're going to spend a majority of your waking hours with these people. Learning about their backgrounds and interests will help you feel more comfortable in the new environment. It will help you relate better and work more efficiently with them. You'll also get a good sense of who you can go to for guidance or insights on different topics. Who knows, maybe you'll even form some solid friendships. Ask your supervisor how he or she prefers to communicate. Some supervisors love email, others hate it. Some like text, others prefer face to face check ins. You're not a mind reader, so rather than guess, just ask. Establishing how you'll communicate with them will make life much easier down the road. Learn the office policies. Most office policies will be written in a formal manual that's given to you, but chances are there are other policies or expectations that are unspoken. Things people who have worked there for a while just know. So make sure you understand what is expected. Don't be afraid to question things. As a newbie, you aren't expected to know everything right out of the gate. Be interested. Learn as much as you can. Make sure you start working on your visibility early and in a way that reflects positively on your personal career brand.